Well, hi, y'all. What's wrong, little man?
My son has a fever and a cough.
This cough is brutal. Help me, lady.
Let's just take that temperature for you.
Oh, I hate the feeling of that.
But Abby, it says you have 104, little boy.
It's okay, sweetie. You'll be fine.
Have y'all given him some medicine yet?
No, nothing. We came straight here.
Well, I'll just listen to those lungs. Sweetie, I think you just have the common cold, but I'll swab for the rest.
Are you sure they're okay?
We'll test for strep, flu, RSV, and COVID. Up your nose.
You're gonna swab for what? Where?
Okay, so what's wrong with him?
So what is it?
Well, you guys.